Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought, I understand English, but I just don't feel confident in speaking? Maybe you avoid speaking in meetings, maybe you wait for somebody else to talk first, or maybe you rehearse sentences in your head and then you still don't say them. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. If we haven't met before, I'm Elliot. I help professionals improve their communication in English. And today, I want to talk to you about how you actually build confidence when you speak. So, what is confidence? First, let's be clear about something. Confidence is not a personality. Some people are not naturally confident. Confidence is a result. It comes after repetition. If you don't speak often, you won't feel confident. That doesn't mean you're bad at English. It just means your brain hasn't had enough practice feeling safe while speaking. Confidence grows from experience, not from studying more grammar. So, what do you need to do? Speak more than you study. The first thing you need to do is really simple. Speak more. Not read more. Not watch more videos. Speak more. Your brain builds confidence through action. Even 15 minutes of focused speaking practice is more powerful than 2 hours of passive study. Speaking trains your brain to stay calm under pressure, and that is what builds confidence. Practice real situations. Practice situations that are real for you. If you work in finance, for example, practice explaining financial topics. If you lead meetings, practice leading meetings. If you give presentations, practice presentations. When practice feels real, your brain takes it seriously. And when real situations happen, it feels familiar. Familiarity reduces fear. Before we continue, I want to ask you a small favour. If this video is helpful so far, please consider liking and subscribing. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and it allows me to continue creating practical content like this to support English professionals like yourself to improve. I don't create videos for views. I create them because I know how frustrating it can feel to lack confidence when speaking. So if you find value in this, your support really does make a difference. Now let's continue. Accept imperfection. This one is really important. You must stop trying to sound perfect. Perfection creates tension. Tension creates hesitation. Hesitation feels like low confidence. You don't need perfect grammar to sound professional. You need clear ideas, clear structure, and calm delivery. Confidence grows when you allow small mistakes without judging yourself. Create a safe speaking environment. Confidence grows faster in safe environments. You need a place where you can speak freely, where mistakes are corrected gently, where feedback helps you improve, not feel embarrassed. This is why structured one-to-one practice can be so powerful. Because you speak more, you received targeted correction, and you build familiarity faster. Repetition over time. Confidence does not change in 1 week. It builds slowly. You speak, you repeat, you improve. Your brain becomes calmer each time. And one day, you realize something. You are speaking without overthinking. This is exactly what confidence is. If you want to build confidence in speaking English, focus on speaking regularly. Practice real situations, allow imperfection, and choose environments that feel safe. Confidence is trained. It's not born. If this helped you, feel free to subscribe. I share practical advice for professionals who want to speak English clearly and confidently. And I look forward to helping you improve.